What is preposition? Preposition is a linking word. It links a noun or pronoun with other part of a sentence. For example, books are on the table. The preposition on links the books to other part of the sentence, the table. Preposition of time. On, in, at, by, after, before, since, for, during are preposition of time. Time of preposition on. Preposition on is used before day and date. We go to church on Sunday. My birthday falls on 20th August. The preposition on is used before the day Sunday and the date 20th August. Time of preposition in. Preposition in is used before month, year and season. India got independence in 1947. School reopens in June. Flowers bloom in spring season. The preposition in is used before the year 1947, month June and the spring season. Preposition at indicate a specific time. Mala gets up at 6 o'clock. She reaches school at 8:30 a.m. She has her lunch at noon. She finishes her project at the end of this week. The preposition at indicate the specific time of 6 o'clock, 8:30 a.m., noon, the end of this week. Preposition by indicates end time. The show should be finished by 9 p.m. Return this book by Friday. I will meet you by 4 o'clock. The preposition by indicate the end time of 9 p.m. Friday and 4 o'clock. Preposition before means earlier than the time. I have seen that film before. She arrived before me. This film has released long before. Preposition after means later. Ramu is speaking in the phone. He said that you will meet me half after 7 in the morning. Meet me after your meal. He arrived after you had left. The day after he apologized. He lived happily ever after. Time of preposition since. It indicates duration of time. On Sunday, he has been studying since morning. They have been living here since 2000. Time of preposition for. It indicates duration of time. Lada has been staying with grandma for 6 months. I have been studying in this school for 5 years. Time of preposition during. It indicates duration of time. We will be visiting my grandmother's house during summer vacation. He stopped for applause 3 times during his speech. Confusable sentences. In time means just before a time. On time means you don't be late. We made it in time. Luckily we arrived just in time. You arrived to school on time. You finished your project on time. Place of preposition. In, on, at, by, above, over, under, below, behind, in front of, onto, into, among, between, far, near, inside, outside, up, down. Preposition in means inside. It indicates closed surface. Teacher asked Rama, where is Ramani? Is he in the classroom or in the playground? Rama said that Ramani is in the library. In indicate the closed surface of the classroom, the playground, the library. Place of preposition on indicates surface of an object. When the teacher entered into the classroom, Ronnie was standing on the bench. So the teacher advised her not to stand on the desk. Then students submitted their notes on the table. Next, the teacher drew a picture on the blackboard. The preposition on indicate the surface of the bench, the desk, the table, the blackboard. Preposition at indicate a specific place. Raghu was ill, so he was at home. Her mother works at a mall. To see him, turn left at traffic signal. He was living at Nehru Street. Place of preposition by. By means near. I am waiting by the car. She lived by the sea. The by means near. Place of preposition above. The plane is flying above the clouds. The sun rose above the horizon. Place of preposition over. Over means just above the object. He jumps over the pole. The horse jumps over the fence. Place of preposition under. It indicates that an object is placed below three-dimensional things. There is a village under a kill. The water flows under the bridge. Below indicates very lower position. Fish swims below the water. Write quartz below the pole. Place of preposition behind. It means back of an object. Girls are guiding behind a tree. My family is right behind me in my ambition. Place of preposition in front of. It means before an object. A pond is in front of my house. Ramani stands in front of Ranjani. Place of preposition onto. It means moving towards something. Move the book onto the second shelf. Water is dripping onto the floor. Place of preposition into. It means moving towards something. Throw a paper into the fire. Throw the leaves into the trash bin. Place of preposition between. It means middle of two. An apple is placed between two boxes. A boy is standing between two dogs. Place of preposition among. It means middle of many things. A yellow ball is placed among blue balls. A girl is sitting among cats. Place of preposition far. It means long distance. Call me if you need me. I won't be far away. How far has he walked? Place of preposition near. It means shorter distance. A girl is sitting near a ball. Kavita is sitting near Raghu. Preposition beside and besides. Beside means nearer. Besides means in addition to. The girl is sitting beside a ball. Besides scooty, she has a car. Place of preposition inside. Keep your book inside the bag. Come inside the house. Place of preposition outside. There is a garden outside the house. Children are playing outside in the playground. Place of preposition up. It means move towards above. The girl is climbing up the mountain. Ronnie stands up to ask a question. Place of preposition down. It means move towards below. The girl gets down from tree. Tears run down from her face. Place of preposition around. Around means every direction. Earth goes around the sun. The tree is 6 feet around. Place of preposition against. It means opposite to. The ladder is placed against the wall. He fight against him. Place of preposition through. River Kaveri flows through Trichy. The juice was strained through the filter paper. Place of preposition on top of. Put the book on top of the shelf. Write quotes on top of the blackboard. Place of preposition across. The government built a bridge across the river. Walk across the road at zebra crossing. Preposition from. Her sports training class is from 7 to 8 a.m. She comes home from school at 9 a.m. She is on holiday from 1st May. Preposition of. I have never heard of such places. He told us of this place. At the age of 18, I have seen that place. Place of preposition along. Walk along the road. Walk along the river bank. Preposition with. Skills comes with experience. She went to falls with her parents. Preposition by. The essay is written by her. Suganya comes to school by bus. Ronnie comes to school by bicycle. Pavitra comes to school on foot. By is used before the vehicle by and bicycle. But preposition on is used before the foot. Thank you.